Good morning, guys. I am Prakasam, working as assistant professor in KSR Institute of Engineering Technology. I'm going to explain the concept about artificial machine learning models in third unit. In this, what are the main approaches of machine learning models means machine learning. Machine learning Machine learning model encompasses a variety of approaches and models, each to different types of problems and data. Here are some main approaches. These supervised learning, unsupervised learning, um, semi-supervised learning, and transfer learning, reinforcement learning, all the learnings will be there. So first we will see about the supervised learning. In supervised learning, the model is trained on labeled data. So meaning that input data comes with corresponding output labels. Classification and regression will be the main approaches of supervised learning. So classification is predicting the category level, and regression means predicting the continuous value. That means house prices, stock prices, like that you are having. So some examples means linear regression, ridge regression, polynomial regression, and neural networks. And second one, unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the model is trained on unlabeled data and must find patterns and relations within the data. So in this, we are having a clustering and dimensionality reduction. So clustering means grouping a similar data points together, and K-means algorithm, hierarchical clustering, DBS can yes, will be there. So dimensionality reduction means reducing the number of features while preserving important information. So in examples, principal component analysis and T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding. And next one is semi-supervised learning. So semi-supervised means that it's a mix of labeled and unlabeled for training. It is particularly useful when obtaining labeled data is expensive or time consuming. So self-training and co-training generative adversarial networks for semi-supervised learning is an example. And next one is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning, an agent can learn to make decisions by performing actions in an environment to maximize cumulative rewards. Based on the rewards, some actions will be again decisions will be made based on the cumulative rewards. So example is Q learning, deep Q networks, proximal policy optimization, and asynchronous advantages actor. So next one, self-supervised learning. So this approach involves using the data itself to generate labels, often by predicting parts of the data from other parts. It is particularly popular in natural language processing and computer vision. So BERT and GPT is examples of self-supervised learning. And the next one is transfer learning. So transfer learning involves a predetermined model on a large data set and fine-tuning it on a smaller related data set. So it will be commonly used in deep learning techniques. So VGG 16 and 19, ResNet, or BERT pre-trained on large data sets like ImageNet or large text corpora. So in this, we are using a transfer learning. Nowadays, we are all are moving to machine learning to transfer learning. So this is very important. The next one, ensemble learning. So ensemble learning combines the multiple models to improve the performance. Models to improve the performance often by reducing variance and bias. So backing and stacking is examples of ensemble learning. So backing means examples including random forest and bootstrapping aggregating. Boosting examples include AdaBoost, gradient boosting machines, XGBoost, LightGBM, and CatBoost. So stacking, combining multiple models using the meta learner to improve performance. So each approach has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of which to use depends on the specific problem, the nature of the data, and the goals of the analysis. So these are some approaches of machine learning algorithms. So mainly we are using supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So these are the main learning algorithms we are using in machine learning. So and then self-learning, ensemble learning, this and all semi-supervised learning, this and all are not ordinarily you are using, and transfer learning is completely different from machine learning. So it is mainly based on the deep learning technique. So that's all about the approaches of machine learning. Thank you for watching.